Welcome back, students. In this class we study mensuration chapter 11 exercise 11.2. In the previous class we completed the 7 questions in this exercise. Today we start the 8th problem. So here the 8th problem is Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river. So this is a trapezium field. So its side along the river. So it comes next to the river. So side along the river is parallel to the twice the side along the river. One side of the field is having river and another side of the field is having a road. But if parallel side is twice along the road, so this side is twice along this side. So if the area of the field is given as 10,500 m square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is along the parallel side, two parallel sides along the river. So here the height is given as 100 meters. So we'll start the solution. So here the Mohan wants to buy this field. This field is one side, the field is having the river, another side is having the road. So this side is twice this side. So here the length between these two, road and the river, is 100 meters. So the area of the field is given, that is 10,500 square meters. So now we'll write down the solution. So we'll see what is the solution. First step we have to write, let the length of the, or assume anything we write, length of the side along the river. The river B is equal to how much? That is 2x meters. Next is let the length of the side along one more is along the road is equal to x meter. Therefore next step is, the data given is area of the field is equal to how much? That is 10,500 square meters. So next is, that is we have to write 2x plus x, these two, that is the length of the side along the river and the length along the side of the road, equal to 2x plus x into 100 by 2 is equal to how much? This area we have to write. This is the formula to find the area. So area we have to substitute, it is given. So 2x plus both the length plus into 100, that is the here the distance between the two, that is road and the river, is given, into 100, add these two, then into 100 divided by 2 is equal to area. Now we have to simplify this. What we get is, add this everything we'll get, that is 150x is equal to 10,500. Now x is equal to 10,500 by 150. So cancel this, then 15, this will become, that is 150, then this will become 10 cancel, so this is 70. So x we get is 70. Now what happens, we have, that is 2x we have, that is 2x is the length of the side along the river. 2x is equal to 70 we are getting, therefore 2 into 70 is equal to 140 meters. So finally hence the length of the side along the river is 140 meters. So we found out this. So first we found out the x. X is the length of the side along the road, will be 70 m. Then substitute 2x, therefore 70 into 2 will get 140 m. As the length of the side along the river is 140 meters. So this is the solution for the 8th problem. We move on to the 9th one. 9th problem is, that is, the top of the surface of a raised platform is in the shape of regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. So here the top surface of a raised platform, this is a raised platform, it is in the shape of an octagon shown in the figure. Now find the area of this octagonal surface. So we'll see here some data are given. This is 4, this is 11 and this is 5. So now the solution is area of the octagonal surface is equal to area of rectangular portion. Area of the rectangular portion is there. Area of the rectangular portion plus 2 into area of the trapezium, area of trapezoidal portion. So there are two parts in this. This is an octagon. This consists of a rectangle and also trapezoidal portion. So 2 into this one trapezoidal portion. So now we have to substitute this one. We'll take rectangle portion. We can write length into breadth. That is 11 into 15 plus the area of the trapezoidal portion. There are two trapezium, here 1 and 2. This is the first trapezium and this is the second. Therefore there are 2 trapezium and this is rectangle. Therefore we have to first write for the rectangle. Therefore area of the rectangular portion plus 2 into area of the trapezoidal portion. For area of the rectangular portion 11 into 15 plus, therefore 2 into 15 into 11 plus into this one, this distance 4 plus this one plus 4, no sorry, into 4 divided by 2 into m square. Now simplify this, we'll get, that is 55 plus 64, m square is equal to 111 m square. This completes the 9th problem. We will move on to the 8th one. So 8th problem is given as, there is a pentagonal shaped park as shown in the figure. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided into 2 different ways. So this is a pentagon shaped park given. So it is divided into two shapes, that is one is Jyoti and another one is Kavita. So we have two different shapes and we have to find its area. So finding the area in the first case, we'll see the solution. So in this case, that is solution in this first case. First is Jyoti, second one is Kavita. First one, Jyoti diagram. Jyoti's diagram. Now we'll find out the area of the park. So area of the park is equal to 2 into, here the height given is, I'll just try, this one is 30 and this one is 15 m. Therefore this one 15 plus 30 divided by 2, 15 plus 30 divided by 2 into 15 by 2. So this becomes 675 divided by 2, which is equal to 337.5 m square. So this one 15 plus 30 divided by 2 into 15 by 2, the whole into divided by 2. This is the area of the park for the first diagram. So we are getting 337.5 m square. It's the area of the park for the first diagram. So now next we write for Kavita diagram. So here the area of the park is equal to, therefore here also same thing, this is 30 meters, then this one is 15. So here how to write is, first 15 into 15 we have to write first, this one base 15 into 15 plus 15 into 30 minus 15, this minus this, 30 minus 15, the whole thing divided, sorry, this one by so here this one is 15 into 15 plus this base 15 into 15 for this first, then this one is 15 into 30 minus 15, 30 minus 15 divided by 2. So this will become how much? 225 m square plus 225 by 2 m square. So this is, so in this diagram there are two trapeziums. See here, two trapeziums are there, so therefore we multiply it by 2, then apply this, that is 15 plus this one 15 plus 30 divided by 2, then 15 into 2. So now here, so one triangle is there and this one is square, this one is square or rectangle. So here since it is a rectangle, we consider that is this, if we consider of the length, then this will become 15 into 15. So here next is 15, 30, this one is 15 into 30 minus 15 divided by 2. So next is we have to just write 255 m square plus divide this, we'll get 112 by 2 m square. So therefore this one is 337.5 m square. So this is how to find the, because it is distributing into two diagrams. So this is the solution for the 10th problem. We move on to the 11th one. So 11th problem, the diagram of the adjacent picture frame as outer dimension, that is a frame is there which consists of two frames. Diagram of adjacent picture frame as an outer dimension, that is 24 into 28 centimeters. This is 24, 28, and the inner dimension is 16 into 20 centimeters. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. So now we have to take the area. We have to take two separate frames here. First solution we'll find out, that is area of the right section frame. Right section frame, right section of the frame, This is a frame, there is a right section of it. So now first one we have to take, that is 28 into 28 plus 20, 28 plus 20 plus half into this 24 minus 16, 24 minus 16. So all divided by 2 centimeters square. Now this, after simplifying, we'll get 48 into 4 divided by 2 centimeters square is equal to, we get 96 centimeters. Next we'll find out area of the left section of the frame. Area of the left section of the frame is also 96 centimeters. Okay, right and left are both same. Next we have to find out area of the upper section of the frame. Upper section of the frame is equal to, what we have to write, that is 24, this one 24 we have to take 24 plus 16, this side 24 plus 16, next into of this 28 minus 20. So 28 minus 20. So all divided by 2 centimeters square. So this comes is equal to, after simplifying, 40 into 4 by 2 cm square is equal to 80 centimeters square. Therefore finally the area of the, what happens, the area of the lower section will also be same. As the right section is same and the left section is same, here this one again we have it. Similarly we write area of the lower section is also same of the frame is equal to how much? 80 centimeters square. So this is the solution for the 11th problem. So if you are very familiar with all the area of the area of these diagrams or geometrical figures, these problems are very easy to solve. So if you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.